They called me for a job, and I don't even have a welding machine ready, man. What the fuck?
Job, man. I've been highly blessed, able to keep on working with this COVID-19 plus the oil field shutting down. How y'all holding up, man? Like I said, I've been highly blessed. One of my friends called me up about this job and stuff. You know, everything worked out. I tested 2 weeks ago. This was my first week. It's real easy, and everything went well. I did a 60-10 uphill and a 70S2 TIG out. That qualified me for this job. But like I said, man, I'm highly blessed, and I might have another job coming up in 2 weeks for better money. So hopefully that plays out. But yeah, man, I got a call from this job. I was about to wrap up the other job where I was working at. I had like 2 weeks left. By the way, shout out to them because they was able to allow me to shoot YouTube videos. That's where I shot all my YouTube videos at in my old job. I asked them to see if I could shoot the videos for YouTube, and they was cool with it. But shout out to them, man. But like I was saying, I had like 2 weeks left, and I started making some phone calls, and I called a few people up. One of my friends hit me up, and he said he had a position for me, so I was able to test. Like all you new guys, man, who just starting out, whenever you start welding, man, try to be friends with everybody. Have a good attitude. A good attitude will take you a long way. And, you know, save people's numbers. You know, I tell people all the time, when it comes down to bailing out a fitter, go ahead and do it. You know, this job that I just got today, a fitter was able to give me this job because he knows that I can weld. He knows that I'm down for anything. So, yeah, man, try to do your best to be cool with everybody, help everybody out. And I posted a few pictures on my Instagram of bad fits and stuff like that, and a lot of people be complaining, saying that they'll never weld it. But, you know, whenever I get a fit, I tell the fitter to do the best they can, and if I know I can weld it and I can shoot x-ray, I weld it all day. I've been highly blessed, able to meet a lot of people, and been able to stay busy. So yeah, man, he called me about this job. It was a rig welding position, and I didn't have a machine. I had bought a machine last year, and it broke. I needed a new motor on it, so I decided to sell it. And since I was working single-hand, and I never bought a new one until now that I needed it, I decided to rent one out. I went with Ready Arc. Roughly, it's about $250 a week, which is okay. It's cheaper than United Rentals to me. I priced United Rentals, and I think United Rentals was over $1,000 a month. But Ready Arc's pretty cool, man. The people is real nice. You get the leads if you need leads. The remote, if you don't get the leads, in the remote will be a lot cheaper than $1,000 a month. I just got the remote. I already had the leads, but it's about $1,000 a month. I'll be more specific whenever I get the paperwork, and I'll tell you, I'll break it down to you about the machines that they have.
This is the invoice that I got from Ready Arc last year. Last year when I was welding, one of my machines broke, so I had to go get a rental for a month. For a month, they charged me $856.45. The machine that I did get was the D300K diesel welder, which is equivalent to the Lincoln 300D. The machine works great. I highly recommend it. If you want leads and a remote, it will be more money. It's not that much. I'm not too quite sure how much more it will be, but it's pretty much under $1,000 if I'm not mistaken. Whenever you go to Ready Arc, they will do a credit check, so make sure you have some type of credit. I'm not sure what kind of credit score you need, but they do check for credit. You go, you do the application, and within 2 hours, they'll let you know if you qualify or not. Whenever you return these machines, make sure that y'all fill them back up, because if the machines are empty with fuel, they will charge you a good penny to refill them, and they'll charge you maybe $2 more for the gallon of diesel. So make sure you fill these machines back up. This is the United Rentals website for the Arc Welder 300, which is equivalent to the one I got from Ready Arc. For the month, they won $1,363.74, which is way more than Ready Arc. It's almost $500 more. So that's why I decided to go with them. I feel like they have a cheaper option. And you know, whenever you're renting these machines, you would like to have the best price. And like I said, this is only an option if you're just starting off and you just need to buy some time to buy a machine and you just want to rent just to get the job. Or if your machine is at the shop at the moment, this is a great option too, so you don't have to lose your job. So yeah, man, I highly recommend Ready Arc over United Rentals just because of the price.
But yeah, I decided to go with them. I'm over here for now. I'm gonna just use this machine for a week or two. I'm gonna go get me a SA200 probably in a few weeks, just to start. I'm gonna see how the oil field do this year. If it does much better, I might go ahead and get me a diesel. I really want a Pipe Pro 400, but depending on how the oil field does, I might go with the Pipe Pro. If not, I like Lincoln a lot too. I like the Cross Country, and I like the SAEs. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna go with for now, but we'll see how the oil field does, man. I would like to get a diesel though. But yeah, man, shout out to everybody who follows me on the Instagram. You know, if y'all want to talk, just send me a message, and you know, just link up or something. And shout out to all my new subscribers on YouTube, man. I appreciate y'all subscribing to my videos, and don't forget to hit that like button. I will have tons of more videos coming out. I'll just have to see how I do it with my time off, but I will have a lot more videos coming out. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching this video if you got this far.